Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Beretta here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you a 1,000 a day blueprint that if you implement this and find the right opportunity that offers this, you will make an actual $1,000 a day. And I'm so excited about this because I just learned this, and then I'm actually working on this one. So stay tuned. And before we go on to the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and we're going to be talking more about marketing, motivation, and mindset because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested on those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So I'm now here on my whiteboard, and I'm going to show you the blueprint that if you're into affiliate marketer, because there's a tons of products out there that you can sell. And what I love about affiliate marketing is that you can actually make 50% commission on those based on those products. And the formula for making $1,000 a month is a little bit more different than just the traditional affiliate marketing, where you're selling probably like $30 per product, and if you make like 50% commission, that's $15. And if you have a product that is on a monthly basis, like a recurring payment, then you can make $15 per month. So if you want to make $1,000 based on that product, you're gonna need to sell a lot more product per month just to make $1,000 a month based on that single product. And there's a tons of affiliate marketers out there that are actually making a lot of money because they're selling a lot of stuff. Like there's always a new innovative product that's gonna be launched every single month, and that's how they make money. If there's a new product launching out there, they find a way to launch that and then make new customer. And sometimes that works if you already have a big network. Like if you already have a big buyers list that you accumulated throughout the years, when you promote something new to them, they are actually willing to buy from you. But it's kind of hard if you're starting out, and then if you want to make $1,000 a day, you need a lot of work just to build a list, an email list, or a list of people that want to buy product from you. It will take a lot of time. But here I'm going to show you a simple blueprint that I just learned and affiliated with this company that I'm excited to work with, and they show me how to make $1,000 a day blueprint. Right, so I'm here again on the whiteboard, and I'm really excited on how I discovered how how to make this work. So I'm using my iPad Air 2, and I'm using just a traditional stylus, and I was able to work this Microsoft whiteboard to I can show you on my screen here, and then I'll just write here on my iPad. So what is the blueprint for a $1,000 a day commission or income with affiliate marketing? So first things first, you need quality traffic, right? Oops, traffic. What's wrong? What's going on here? Traffic. That doesn't look good. Let me try again. So you need quality traffic. What do you mean quality traffic? Meaning these are actually people that are actually in the buyer's list. Like they're already there to buy from you, or they're there that knows you, right? They actually know you, and they opt into your squeeze page because they want something from you. Like you offer a good lead magnet, like a how-to guide, like affiliate marketing guide that will actually help them, and they kind of get to know you, like you, and trust you. And then whatever recommendation you have for them, they will actually buy from you, right? So quality traffic, you always have to go with quality traffic rather than quantity, because I know Diane Hoffman, she's making multiple six figures a month, but I saw her email and she only have like 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers, and that's crazy. right? Because there's tons of people out there are making same money as she is, but they have like hundreds or 200, 300,000 subscribers to their mailing list, but she only have 6,000 on her mailing list. So she's really awesome, and I suggest you follow her as well, Diane Hockman. She's here on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook, right? So quality traffic. So that's number one, right? And number two is you need value ladder, right? So when I say about value ladder is that you let them in on a very small amount. Like let's say they get into the program for, all right, let me erase this. They get into the program, right, for $30, right? So when they get into a program at $30, you will make, let's say, 40% commission or 50% commission. Let's say 40%. You will make $18, right, as a commission. And then you will gradually increase that, and next you will sell them a high ticket item of $2,500, and then you will make $1,000. So this is the secret number three, is a high ticket item. So this is the $1,000 a day blueprint, because when they get in for $30, then the next product that you're going to offer them is $2,500, and then the next one is $8,000. You're probably going to make $3,200, and the next product they have is $12,000, where you will make I don't know the math. Anyway, so this is how you can make a $1,000 a day based on this blueprint. Is that when they get in, right? And what I love about this is that when they get in, you don't need to get another customer in order to make money, right? Based on just one person, you can actually make almost 8,000 with just one person. And that's what you need here, is that you need to have a quality traffic again on the number one. So quality traffic. Number two is the value ladder. And then number three is this, the high ticket. So this is it, guys. This is the blueprint. These three things here. This is the blueprint that most top earners out there are actually following. Like if you know Tony Robbins, if you know Tai Lopez, all those great speakers out there, all those great influencers out there, they do this with their business, right? When you get into their program with a small entry fee, like $30, $50, or $100, and then they gradually expose you to a different high ticket item. Like for Tony Robbins, like they will expose you to private coaching with him, right, or a mastermind group with him, and then next is another massive mastermind group with him. So that's how they expose you to a value ladder, right? So based on just one person, you can actually make thousands of dollars just for one person. So this is way different than the usual affiliate marketing that most people are teaching out there. Is that they teach you from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, and the fact of the matter is, they actually follow this simple. They actually follow this blueprint as well, because when you buy products from different vendors, they will sell you an upfront product, which is the actual product, and then when you buy that, they will upsell you, and just based on one customer, you can make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So if you know the power of this value ladder, you will make hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you don't need hundreds and thousands of email list subscribers in order for you to make that kind of income for yourself in your business. Right, guys? So if you want to learn how this is set up, where you will actually learn how you can follow the system and actually make that $1,000 a day blueprint, and no, I'm talking about the blueprint, actually making money with $1,000. This is why I highly recommend this system that I chose for myself, and I'm recommending to you guys. If you want to find that out, check the link on description down below. My number one recommendation to making a full-time income, and it's free. It's a 15-day workshop where you will learn how to make the money and actually how to set this all up, and where you can find the resources that will actually help you set this all up and actually make this kind of money online. Alright, guys, so I really hope you get value from this video. If you do, comment down in the video down below. Let me know what you think. If you think that if you have any questions about this kind of blueprint, and actually it's so simple. You just need to follow these 3 things and you will make thousands of dollars online. And I'm really excited that this is that I found this system for myself, and that's why I'm sharing with you guys. Right, guys, so this is it for today. I really hope that you find value in this one. So Miller Brady here, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.